Hey guys, Bobby here with Mississippi Gulf Coast Gardener, and today I've got a couple of mail calls, a couple of updates on the garden, and I'm going to show you what we're doing to the potatoes. So the first mail call that I got is from S.A.'s Family Garden, Rob, formerly the Sapper Gardener, always the Sapper Gardener. And I commented on one of his videos, and he was kind enough to send me some winged beans. That's the video that I commented on. And he said they should do well down here in this climate. Also, he sent me some black turtle beans, some peppers, espelette. Hope I'm not saying that name incorrectly. Some pigeon peas, and some kabocha pumpkins, which I'm really excited about those because we love winter squash, so that ought to be a good one. So Rob, thank you, sir. You're a kind gentleman, and I truly appreciate you, brother. He also sent me a card. Says, Bobby, we hope you and the family are all doing well. Please accept these seeds for your 2019 garden and hope they do as well for you as ours do. S.A.'s Rob. Brother, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Next, I had the opportunity to meet and greet with Two Cedars Micro Farm, Dave and Darcy. That was really awesome, and if you haven't seen their video on that, I'll be sure to put a link below, and you guys check that out and show them some love. These guys are more amazing in person than they are on their live feeds and on their videos in YouTube. It's just really, really awesome to meet them. And unfortunately, I don't think they're going to be able to make the Deep South Homestead Shindig on March the 9th. But I will take plenty of video, guys, and show you everything that I see there. So don't worry, that'll be coming as well. But when we did meet, we did a little bit of a seed swap. I gave them some seeds. They gave me some seeds plus some. But we'll start with the seeds. They gave me some Dipper Gourd seeds, some Loofah seeds, some Martin Gourd seeds. Now, I want to plant all of these. I don't know if I'll get to all of them this year just simply because of space, but I love having these. I cannot wait to grow them. They also gave me a Dipper Gourd that I'm going to make a birdhouse out of, and I'll do that in a video sometime soon. They also gave me some marigold seeds and a couple of buckeyes. I don't know if you guys are familiar with buckeyes or not, but you're supposed to give them to your friends and carry them in your pocket all the time, so that's kind of a cool thing. Thank you, Dave and Darcy. I really appreciate you, and I just really can't say enough how much I enjoyed meeting you guys. That was awesome. Here's a rare peek at the front side of my house. It's actually the south side, but that's my backyard back there. And everything grows good over here. This is a Nandina, and I also planted some red seedless grapes right there, and they're looking really good. And I have these on a short piece of cattle panel that I put up. So hopefully those will do real well too. And speaking of rare views of the front side of my house, this is the front. I put these wood chips and some horse manure down actually a couple years ago. And I have spider lilies growing, and I have bulbs planted in here. They'll come up, and there's the gnomes. And that is a Japanese maple tree, and I have a beautiful gladiolus that comes up right there every year. And this is what we call a firecracker plant or cigar plant. I actually planted that last year from a cutting, and it has just really taken off. So, it's a rare view of the front side of my house. Also, we have more gladiolus. All these wood chips are very old. My mother-in-law brought me these rose campions. There's two sets of them there. I just planted them a couple weeks ago, and they are doing really good. Standing up, looking nice. And I'll show you something else really cool out here. Nice. Alright guys, just a quick reminder, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new video comes out. Okay guys, so it's been about 3 weeks since we laid the potatoes on top of the dirt and we covered them with hay. And you can see that they've come up really well, and except for this spot right here, but I went back and watched the video and I didn't put a potato there. So what we're gonna do now is just put some hay on top of this. What are you doing? I want to show you something. That's my asparagus coming up, as well as some grass. But just wanted to show you. It's one of the first things to come up in the spring. Thought I'd also give you an update on the strawberries. They're looking pretty darn good. And then that's just weeds. And while we're out here, let's gather some eggs. Good golly, look at all them eggs. Well, I need both hands.